In the ever-evolving world of aerial warfare, only the most advanced, agile, and lethal aircraft rise to the top. Today, we reveal the top 10 fighter jets in the world, 2025 edition. From stealth monsters to multi-role powerhouses, these jets are at the cutting edge of global military technology. Let's take flight. The F-35 is the world's most versatile fifth-generation stealth fighter, serving in over a dozen air forces. With unmatched sensor fusion, stealth capability, and multi-domain connectivity, it dominates both the skies and the battlefield. Top speed, Mach 1.6. Roll, multi-role strike, and air superiority. Still considered the king of the dogfight, the F-22 Raptor boasts extreme maneuverability and supercruise capabilities. Its low observability and thrust vectoring engines make it nearly unbeatable in air-to-air combat. Top speed, Mach 2.25. Roll, air dominance. Russia's answer to fifth-gen warfare, the Su-57, combines agility with internal weapon bays and long-range strike options. Though stealth is moderate, its maneuverability and weapon systems are formidable. Top speed, Mach 2+. Roll, multi-role stealth. China's premier stealth platform, the J-20, is built for long-range interception with a large internal weapons load, equipped with AESA radar and advanced BVR missiles. It's a rising power in the skies. Top speed, Mach 2. Roll, stealth interceptor. The Rafale is Europe's most balanced multi-role fighter, known for its Delta Canard agility and top-tier electronic warfare suite. It serves in both land-based and carrier-based roles. Top speed, Mach 1.8. Roll, multi-role, including nuclear strike. Developed by a European consortium, the Typhoon is a highly agile 4.5 Gen fighter, optimized for air superiority but fully multi-role. It boasts cutting-edge AESA radar and long-range Meteor missiles. Top speed, Mach 2. Roll, air superiority and ground strike. The Navy's workhorse, the Super Hornet, is combat-proven, carrier-ready, and highly survivable. Now upgraded to Block 3, it features improved radar, range, and network capability. Top speed, Mach 1.6. Roll, carrier-based, multi-role, a budget-friendly 4+ Gen fighter. The JF-17 Block 3 offers AISA radar, modern avionics, and beyond visual range missile capability. Its compact design and affordability make it a rising force among smaller air forces. Top speed, Mach 1.6. Roll, multi-role. Built on the legendary F-15 platform, the EX variant brings modern avionics, the world's most powerful radar, and unmatched payload. With 22 air-to-air missiles on board, it's a heavyweight in the skies. Top speed, Mach 2.5. Roll, heavy air superiority. From stealth to speed, agility to endurance, these jets represent the peak of modern military aviation. Which one is your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more content on military tech, global defense, and next-gen warfare. Until next time, this is Sinister Trials, signing off.